DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, welcome to another Treehouse chat. The wind finally stopped. It's just a breeze now. Things are growing. A lot of new growth in the treehouse. Look at that. There's some new growth right there. There's some over here. I'm just letting all these grow as they want. There's my craps table. Well, half of a craps table. I'm going to do a video on how to shoot craps. You know, a simple one, because that's the best game in the casino. It's the only game where you have any control. But let's talk about some other stuff. Today we have a driving tip, and we're going to discuss your emergency flashers. And there's two places you want to use them. There may be more. Of course, if you're broken down on the highway, you probably should use one. But the first one is, let's say you're driving along the freeway. And all of a sudden, traffic ahead of you comes to a stop. There's a traffic jam, right? And you're coming up on this, and you notice it. This is where you turn them on. Turn on your emergency flashers, because you're trying to, alert guys behind you that, hey, there's something going on. Because a lot of times what'll happen, this happens all the time, by the way, traffic comes to a stop, people brake and stop, and then somebody slams right into their rear, So if you see traffic ahead stopping, like, you see red lights everywhere, turn on your emergencies. Try to warn somebody behind you, so hopefully they won't crash into you. The other place to use them, or where I use them, is parking lots, baby. Say this is a parking lot. And here's the road. And you're about to turn into this parking lot. Turn on your flashers before you get in there, okay? And I'll tell you why. I used to drive a cab in Miami Beach. Well, Miami. I was a night driver. I'm going to tell you, the only time I got in an accident was in a fucking parking lot, okay? Some lady backed out into me. So turn on your emergency flashers when you're in a parking lot, and it makes people notice you, which is what you want. You don't want them to not see you, okay? The other thing that I suggest in a parking lot, say these are the parking spots, if you can, drive all the way through to where you're pointed out, okay? And if you can't find a spot like that, back in, okay? So that you're pointed out. And the reason for that is, or, even if you have, these kind of parking spots, back in, so you're facing out. And the reason for that is, when you come into a parking space, you know where everything is because it's all there in front of you, right? So you can't back in without, because you're aware of everything. It's easy to back in. However, if you front in, okay, and you get in your car, and now you have to back out, to get going again. You don't know where everything is. Okay, there could be somebody coming up behind you, or a car coming, or whatever, and you run into them. So, but if you're facing out, again, you can see everything. All right. So back in and use your emergencies in a parking lot. Okay, I guess that's it. Another driving tip. Like I said, I drove a cab for a while, and you learn a lot driving a cab. Okay, that's it on emergency flashers. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.